Hello, good day viewers. My name is Harshil Chauhan and I will be presenting development process for my studio project AgroPanel. So basically these AgroPanel are product of processing wheat straw with a binding resin, which can be used as a insulation for walls and also as a roofing sheet. Through the means of recent news event, we have come to know that a major source of pollution in northern states mainly consists of burning of agricultural waste such as wheat straw. See, the farmers don't have a lot of time before winter sets in. They have to show the next crop within 30 to 45 days. Hence, the easiest way to clear the field in such a short period of time is burn the waste. This stubble burning is one of the reasons for environmental pollution and are also responsible for haze in Delhi and melting of Himalayas glacier. A study estimates that crop residue burning releases 149.24 million tons of carbon dioxide and over 9 million tons of carbon monoxide and various other toxins such as sulfur and black carbon. Considering what's happening right now, around 50,000 cases of farm fires were recorded in Punjab alone, an increase of almost 40% from last year. What's another alternative? It's AgroPanel. The waste of one industry can serve as the raw material for the other. Embracing this concept of waste reduction, I redefined the value of chain of building material and adopt an approach which is harmony with nature. So, what my AgroPanel does is that is provide a healthy microclimate inside a building by maintaining temperature, air humidity and sound insulation. This AgroPanel can be made 30 to 40% faster with 30% reduction in dead load, making it carpentry friendly and cost effective. Although these panels are less resistant to fire and water. So the main process of developing the product was first understanding the material nature and doing various trial with material knowledge. For making a panel, wheat straw was procured and sieved until of usable form and mixed with binding material. This mixture is placed in a mold and compressive load is applied for better bonding. For trial 1 included making a brick out of wheat straw and water to check its binding but resulted in negligible binding and hardness. To resolve this, wheat straw was mixed with Fevicol in the form of 600 by 450 mm sheet. By observation, good bonding was observed but wasn't stiff enough. Trial 3 is to check another bonding agent. Resin alkali activator was added, but this also resulted in insufficient bonding and hardness. Further trials included adding of cementitious material such as fly ash, gypsum powder and lime powder along with the water, but this also resulted in similar failures. Now for the final trial, after doing some literature study, I found that synthetic resin material has good bonding nature with wheat straw. After the panel was casted and left to harden over a period of 48 hours, proper hardness and bonding was observed. For finalizing the product, use of 8 mm thick cement sheet was done to make a composite panel by covering the agro panel from both the sides so as to provide better insulation and protection against wear and tear. So possible application is included construction of sound studios, additional insulation of a building, improving the sound insulation of existing walls, ceilings and floors. After testing for thermal conductivity, the result obtained was 0.1330 heat flow per unit area per degree temperature difference. This value can be lowered if cement sheet are eliminated and replaced with the material which has lower thermal conductivity. For further scope, rice starch can also be used as a replacement of Fevicol as such as a natural binder. Thank you.